Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jody, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 healthy and colorful summer meals that you can make without turning on your oven. There's almost no cooking involved, and these are all full of so many colorful, fresh vegetables. These are all whole food, plant-based recipes, but even if you're not vegan or your friends and family aren't, these are real crowd pleasers, so you can bring them to your next get-together. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay, the first recipe I'm going to be making are some colorful spring rolls, and I press my tofu for about 30 minutes and I use 2 plates with something heavy on top, but you can also wrap it in a towel. Now, I just said that there was almost no cooking involved, but I am going to air fry my tofu and cook up some rice noodles. However, you can do this ahead of time and store them in the fridge, or if you really don't want to heat up your house at all, you can simply eat the tofu raw or enjoy the spring rolls just with the fresh vegetables. Because I cook without oil, I just line my air fryer with some parchment paper, and dipping it in the liquid aminos or soy sauce just gives it a really nice flavor. Okay, let me know in the comments down below if anyone can read the message that's showing on my watch. I did not realize that it was on the entire time I was filming this day, and I'm just noticing it as I'm editing. Now, I'm sure you guys can tell I am no expert spring roller here, so they're not the prettiest, but I promise they still taste amazing. Also, as I was making these, I realized I've never stored them before, and I usually just make them fresh or store all the ingredients separately in the fridge and make the actual spring rolls fresh. So if you guys have any tips for storing them in the fridge so that the rice paper doesn't dry out, please share them down below. Okay, and we're getting to, I think, my favorite part of the recipe, which is the dipping sauce. And I am so excited because I'm using my PB2 powder again, which is so much lower in fat and calories than regular peanut butter. Yay! So here's everything you're gonna need. And I just add my sriracha in upon serving because I am the only one in my family who actually likes spice. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really supports my channel, and let me know in the comments down below which recipe looks the tastiest to you. And don't forget to tag me over on Instagram and let me know if you try any of them. Okay, so here's everything you're gonna need for the bean salad. I've got 3 different kinds of beans. You can choose whatever kind you like. I have garbanzo, black, and kidney beans, a can of corn, and then I'm doing a purple cabbage or red cabbage, a yellow pepper. I've got a carrot. This one is huge, so I usually do 2 regular carrots, and then a cucumber, avocado, 2 small Roma tomatoes or 1 large tomato, and then cilantro, and then the dressing is just lemon juice or lime juice and salt. And then the last recipe is my pasta salad, and for my veggies I am using tomato, carrot, yellow pepper, cucumber, purple cabbage, black olives, onion, and cilantro. And then the dressing, instead of being oil-based, is based with tahini. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit the little notification bell down below so you don't miss my next video, which is going to be sharing with you my Mary's Mini Potato Diet. If you follow the starch solution, you're definitely going to want to check this one out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.